We're live. Bro, was I not recording the whole time?
Did you not press that?
I did. So, pretty much what we did is took off the tensioner. These 2 bolts releases the tension from the chain. There's 3 bolts.
Alright. We got the timing chain out. Let's do the oil pump off. See how it is? That bolt, actually, that's the next thing. I think you're...
So what's good?
Oh, we got the bolts off.
4, 2 14s and 2 12s.
Yeah. We got 5 hex.
5 hex for the tensioner, the guide. We already took off the tensioner, so this whole oil pump can come off now. There you go. You can't take off the chain. Yeah, there you go. Put it in the bucket.
Fucking meant to that shit. Only Honda would. This is where the bolt would go right here, bro.
Once we get the new one. We don't even have, you know what? Oh, let's just take out these 10s and then take off the caps. And see if the rods are good. The head? Yeah, we can take off the head now.
It has a little hole for the bolt. Yours doesn't.
And that is the difference between a K20 and a K24. Uh-oh, what is that, sir?
It's a regular blunt.
Alright, so what we have done is, and they're all 12s. It should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, the young dub. Take off all of them. Once you take all of them, it should be releasing the whole cam rod.
I wish I had a rubber mallet. That would make this shit so much easier.
Honestly, I got one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, your head is in really good condition, because my head, when I got it, this middle one, was kind of fucked up. You're still honed, bro. It still has the honing marks. This hasn't. Too bad we're not using it.
Honestly. So what we done is gotten a rubber mallet or even something
Soft.
just to knock off the cam caps, because they're gonna be stuck on there. Once the cam caps are off, then you can remove the whole cam rod. That's why you'll have what you're looking at right now. What are you doing here?
I'm trying to take this off so we can take off the rocker assembly. Get to the head. Well, that didn't need to be removed.
Honestly, yeah, I don't think you need to take that off, bro.
I thought that went all the way through.
You know what?
It's those 2 right there.
It's gonna be these, and it should be able to come off.
Yeah.
It should come off right now, actually. It's just probably stuck as fuck. There's no rods except this one. These 2. These 2 have rods in here that might fall off. Should I get zip ties right now? Zip tie these?
I would.
Yeah. Always prep. You feel? Ooh. Ooh, 21. Ooh, look. So we're drinking soda.
Yeah, of course. Sure. Ready? We got the head bolts off. We got the rocker assembly off.
And there goes everything.
This is the 2 bottom of the cylinders. Put it over there.
Not inside of it, not inside of it. Just on the ground, Right next to it. On the ground, right next to it. On the ground.
You're not gonna use
We're
that.
not. Yeah, we're not using that one. What the fuck?
You didn't even need the border, bro. Honestly.
What
I think that's
is
where
that?
goes.
I think that's where that goes.
It's like a block guard type shit.
Yeah.
A little block guard. You want that?
Yeah, keep it in there.
Hey, like, do you want it?
Head
It
ass.
has it over here. It has. It looks flat, bro.
You say hot tub, that's it? Not even a resurface? I'm just playing.
You probably just gotta put like a fresh hone, like a quick little. To take this lip off.
Yeah, I see that. And hopefully the hone. It seems like all of the hone will catch.
For that.
The honing tool?
No, there's the actual tool to take off this lip.
Oh, word. The honing tool will do that. I could take it to Art and have him hone it. But you know what? Now, let's flip it.
Do we have a
Sheesh.
keep that. Record this? Come here.
It's already. Is it recording? It's recording.
Alright. Location so we for future references too for us.
This is all documentary.
That's what I'm saying.
This is all documentary.
For us too, like so.
Yeah,
because
we forget, bro.
Right here.
We
look.
smoke weed. Alright. It's the truth. It's the truth. Okay. I mean, bro. Honestly, dog, this is my life. I don't give a fuck about
look.
anything else, dog.
Alright. Okay. Now we can
Put that in the bucket.
Look, if you notice, this will be the only one that'll fit in.
Sheesh. Excuse my language. Alright, let's take this.
I can't let you tie yourself down forever when you could be free in Subway.
Wait. Watch this. Watch this one.
I forgot about.
We're gonna have to flip it the other way. All right.
What am I looking for? Subway. Make it what you want.
Start slowly.
Always. Limited time only.
That seems good like that. What'd you just do?
You have a. You don't have a marker, right? Like a pen marker. Mark your pistons.
A paint marker? I have a Sharpie.
A Sharpie will work.
You have a like
I don't have a big fat ass Sharpie
No,
though.
the Sharpie will work.
it's black, bro. It's fucking. What's it called?
It'll work. Trust me, it'll work.
Trust me, it'll work.
Head ass.
I'm not a certified mechanic or anything.
So what happened?
We took the pistons out. We inspected the rod journals on the crank. That fucking crank looks brand new.
It is.
That's about it.
These are the pistons.
The pistons. You know how it is. You know how I do it. Can't wait. Hey is the way.
What's the deal?
We out here. We're gonna get something to eat.
We came to get something to eat real quick.
Look what we found right here.
Look what we found.
Yeah, it's a target top, bro. Tobacco blood. Let's clarify things.
We came to Angelina's over there.
That nigga's weird. Y'all really just buy swishers and just smoke regular swishers?
Yeah, bro. Who doesn't do that? Fucking weirdo. I mean, what else are you gonna put in?
Meth?
Meth?
What the fuck? It has.
That's it. that plate.